Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to add multiple columns quickly and efficiently in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to expand your spreadsheet, maybe to track a new data set or to simply organize your information better, this is a skill that'll save you tons of time and hassle. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert one column, several columns at once, and how to repeat the process as needed, so your Google Sheets can grow right alongside your project. Let's jump straight in. You've got your Google Sheet open, and let's say you realize you need another column between two of your existing ones. No problem, first just find the column where you want to add the new one. For example, if you need to slide a new column next to column B, hover your mouse over the column letter at the very top, that's the header. Right-click directly on that column letter. A menu will pop up giving you a couple options. Insert one left or insert one right. Pick whichever side you need. For instance, if you want your new column to appear before or to the left of column B, just click Insert one left. Instantly, a new blank column appears. It's a quick and easy way to add just a single extra space for more data. But what if you need to add a bunch of columns at once? Maybe your data is expanding rapidly or you're getting ready to import a bulk of new information. This is where Google Sheets gets even more powerful. Instead of right-clicking just one column, click and drag at the top of your columns to select as many as you want to add. For example, if you want to insert 5 new columns, select any 5 existing columns side by clicking on the first header letter, holding Shift, and then clicking the last column in the range. You'll see those columns highlight together. It might look just like you're selecting text, but across the headers instead. Now with these columns highlighted, right-click on the selection. The same menu pops up, but here's the trick. This time when you pick Insert X left or Insert X right, with X being however many you've highlighted, Google Sheets will add that exact number of new columns all at once. So if you've highlighted 5 columns and you select Insert 5 left, suddenly 5 brand new columns appear to the left. This feature lets you expand your spreadsheet instantly. No need to insert each one individually. If you find you still need even more columns, or maybe you underestimated how much space you need, don't worry. You can simply repeat this process as many times as you like. Just highlight the number of columns you want to add again, right-click and pick Insert. Keep going until you've reached your desired column count. It's a very flexible process and you're totally in control. And that's really all there is to it. Whether you're adding 1 column or 20, Google Sheets makes it straightforward. Take your time if you're working with a large file. Sometimes it takes a second for all the new columns to appear, especially with lots of data, but rest assured your changes will go through. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Google Sheets, or if you have any questions about columns, just ask below. And if you want more quick, practical tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Happy spreadsheeting, and I'll see you in the next video.